Now this is how you create YouTube videos faster to grow your YouTube channel faster. Step 1. Find ideas. Finding a ton of ideas and knowing what videos to do and what your title should be for that video doesn't make this process any easier. Luckily, there's a tool out there today called TubeBuddy. Now TubeBuddy helps you to find those tons of ideas and optimizing your titles so that you can get found in Udemy's search to get views on your videos. It allows you to write in keywords, get a score on your ability to compete for those keywords, see competitors to get inspired and optimize until you've got something that will allow you to rank with your videos. Now we are using the paid version so that we can do more searches per week because we are recording 10 videos every single week. But the free version of TubeBuddy currently gives you 25 searches every single day. So this should be more than enough if you are producing videos on a more regular production speed. Step number 2, script videos. Now there are 3 different ways that you can approach scripting your videos. You can choose to script everything. So every single word that you're saying in that video is scripted. So you just walk through that script word by word. Or you can use bullet points to get hints on what you are going to talk about. Or you can completely just skip scripting and just free flow what you are about to say in that video. Personally, I prefer to script everything because that makes the recording process way easier for me. And it also allows us actually to use that text, that script, to create blog posts on our website robinandjesper.com. But honestly, every YouTuber does it differently and any way works. Step 3, record. Now recording is a very straightforward process. Now if you're scripting everything, you can basically just use your phone to memorize what you're about to say, every single paragraph, piece by piece, just like I'm doing right here. It totally works good for us. Or you can use a teleprompter looking something like this. So on the screen here, you just put this above your camera like this, snap it on, so you can read the text word by word here. We used this teleprompter a lot when we recorded our Course Creator full-time course. You can find it on robinandjesper.com, and we also used this teleprompter word by word when we were recording our 45-minute free training to an automated income. Link in the description box down below to join that 45-minute free training. Back to the video. If you're using bullet points, then just look at those bullet points and then just go for it. And of course, if you just can free flow it, just hit the record button and go for it. Step number 4, edit. Now, chances are that your videos will be filled with mistakes and retakes, just like our videos are. All you need to do is to use an editing software program that can help you to just cut out all of the parts where you retake, like I am doing a lot. So just edit out those mistakes. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro, which we are using for all of our videos. You can also use a free program on MacBook. It's called iMovie, and on a Windows computer, it's called Windows Movie Maker. Just use those programs to edit out all of your retakes and all of your mistakes. Step number 5, upload. Now it's time to upload your video to YouTube. There's nothing magical about this process, but just make sure that you are backing up all of your videos. We're using Google Drive to do this. You can also be using Google Drive. It's a free version up to, I think, 15 gigabytes or something like that. So you can upload your video there to just back them up. If you do want to make your workflow a bit more effective, I encourage you to just go to Zapier.com and connect a SAP, like the program Zapier, connect a SAP between Zapier and your Google Drive so that anytime that you are uploading a video to your Google Drive, it also uploads it directly to your YouTube channel. And then you can just fill in the title and the thumbnail and all of that good stuff and then click on publish. This process saves us a ton of time. Step number 6, repeat. Now, as long as you're having some kind of studio to record your videos in, find all of those good ideas, be ready to edit your videos and upload them on YouTube. There's nothing that hinders you to just upload a ton of videos to your YouTube channel to grow that fast. If you do want to take your videos a little bit further, we have a 45-minute free training down in the description box down below on how you can create an automated income in 10 steps. Yes, it's totally for free. Click that link and just enter your email address and get the 10-step system how we make 6 figures selling videos every single year, and you can too. But if you'd rather stay here, you can click on the next video here to watch more content on our YouTube channel. But I recommend you to sign up for the 45-minute free training down in the description box. Just click that link, enter your email address. It's 45-minute free training on how you can create an automated income selling your videos online, totally for free. With that said, see you in the next one.